make 9, 10. I love you. A, B, C, D. Can I bring my friend to D, E, F, G, H, I, J?
I'm looking forward to meeting you all soon and having a hangout with you guys.
Yo, what's good? Everybody in cyberspace, meet everybody in New York City.
Well, hey there.
Google Plus are this name.
Chris Alex Smith is a law student at Seton.
Thank you to the City Opera House. Thanks, Anthony.
In just a few months, over 40 million people have joined Google+. That's the fastest growing site in history.
Yes, very happy.
It's extraordinary.
I think we're up and running, Piggy.
Welcome to the AC360 Google Plus page. Add us to your circles so you can get the latest updates.
Don't hit that button. Sorry. Please don't.
Now this I really very much enjoy.